So this week's word of the week for week number 34 is resistance training. Now, resistance training is defined as the amount of weight or force your muscles are working against to complete a movement. Different forms of resistance trainings are free weights, weight machines, resistant bands, and body weight. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 32 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have side shuffles. Exercise number 2, we have sumo squats. Exercise number 3, we have star planks. And exercise number 4, we have invisible jump ropes. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 32 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have side shuffle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on my left side and I'm going to shuffle to the right 3 times. So I'm going to get nice and low and I swap position and then shuffle 1, 2, 3. And then when I get over here, I'm going to have to shuffle back to where I started. So I'm going to shuffle 3 steps to the left. So I'm going to side shuffle 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go back and forth. So that's side shuffles. Exercise number 2, we have sumo squats. So instead of doing a normal squat where we're about feet shoulder width apart, we're actually going to extend our feet a little bit wider than our shoulders. If I'm in a box, I'm actually wider. And then I'm going to go and squat down and up. Again, dropping my bottom as low as I can, down and up. Those are called sumo squats. Exercise number 3, we got star planks. So I'm going to go ahead and get into a push-up-like position. And I'm going to open up my hands a little bit wider than my shoulders as well as my feet. So it's going to look like this. Open hands, open feet. I'm going to hold that star plank position for 30 seconds. And last but not least, we have invisible jump ropes. Get back to our feet. And we're going to go and do some invisible jump ropes. Okay. So you guys can do basic jumps. You guys can do reverse jumps. You guys can do some crisscrosses. Whatever your imagination has you do. Okay. So make sure you guys are ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll get started in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Side shuffles, go, go. Nice and low. 3, and come back. 1, 2, 3. Good. If you want to challenge yourself, you want to touch your ankle, get low. Get low. Let's go, my friends. Work hard. Do your best. That's all that matters. Just finished. Anything you start in life, my friends. Remember the motto, Mr. Garcia's motto. Just finish. Woo! Give me a Ric Flair. Let's go. All right, let's go to those sumo squats. Feet wider than the shoulders and drop. Down and up. Let's go. Nice and low. How low can you go, my friends? Oh yeah. Yeah. There you go, my friends. After the video, give me a oh yeah comment section. Let me know how your legs are feeling. Breathe in and out. All right, star planks. Get hands wider than your shoulders, and your legs are split apart. Stagger your strength. 3, 2, 1, and go. Star planks. Open up those legs. Open up those hands. Make sure your hands are facing forward. Tighten up your core, your abs. You got this, my friends. You can do anything you put your mind to for 30 seconds or more. Let's go. Breathe in and out. This is your recovery phase. And time. Invisible jump ropes. Get that cardio blast, go. Invisible jump ropes, move, 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 move. Get some crisscrosses in there, get some double unders. Let's go, my friends. Some side planks. On your under your toes, let's go. All right, time. Great job, 1 minute rest. You guys know the drill, grab some water. All right, so drop a comment down below if you've seen every single Fast 5 workout from workout number 1 to Fast 5 32, which is today. All right, drop a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are doing in your fitness journeys. Are you enjoying the workouts? Do you need a little more challenge? Let me know, drop a comment down below. All right, my friends. 15 seconds left. Remember, focus on your breathing. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, so we're gonna start on the right this time. We're gonna side shuffle to the left. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Starting. 3, 2, 1. And go, my friends. Nice and low, side shuffle. 3, 1, 2, 3. Back and forth, side to side. Let's go, let's go, let's go. How low can you go? Let's go, my friends. If it hurts, that's okay. It's okay. Just do your best. Challenge yourself. Be better than you were yesterday, okay? Try your hardest, let's go. All right, sumo squats. Widen the shoulders and squat. Woo! Give me a Ric Flair. Let's go, my friend. Nice and low. Drop that bottom. Oh yeah, my legs are on fire. Fuego, fuego. Let's go. Got star planks coming up. And time. All right. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Star planks. Open up your hands and feet. Tighten up your core. Come on, and consider this like your Spider-Man. You're Spider-Man on the wall. Let's go. Woo! Tighten up your core. Tighten up your core, my friends. You got this. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. All right, on your feet. Last one, finish it off. Let's go with our finisher. Invisible jump rope, let's go. Everything you got. Let's count. 1. That's 10. That's 20. How many can you do? Let's go, let's go. Push. Carefully reach 30. 30. That's 40. Can we do 50? And time. Great job, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Awesome job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 32. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was the most challenging exercise? Drop a comment down below. And if you have not done so already, make sure you guys check out my Fast 5 workout series on my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts. Link will be down below. And as always at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a fun game for you guys called Halitosis Ball. Use your breath or your air to play this game. For this activity, you're only going to need a few household items. You're going to need a cup, some tape, and a table. And if you have a bouncy ball or ping pong ball, that'd be best. And that's the only items you're going to need. So the goal of this activity is for you to stand behind one side of the table. What you're going to use your breath to blow it. And you're going to maneuver your body to make it in your opponent's cup on the other side. If you can do that within 10 seconds, you get 1 point, okay? That is how this game is going to be played. All right, Jordan's going to get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 9, 8, 7. All right, so the ball landed on my side, and therefore he can score in the bucket. So therefore it's my turn. 10 seconds. Ready?
Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Hit the side. Nobody scores. Jordan's going to go again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. He was not successful. It's now my turn. Going back.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oh, just off the cup. Jordan's turn. Round 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All right, going back to me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Scored. Jordan's turn. Score is 2-0. Round 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10, 9, 8, 7.
All right, here we go. Round number 5. Round number 5. Score is 2 for me, 0 for Jordan. Starting. Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. A little short. It's my turn. Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Not quite. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity. Again, this game is called Halitosis Ball. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.